MATHCHIKA! It's MATHCHIKAHAN time! Narito naman po ang inyong MATHCHIKAHAN teacher. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin ay converting English to metric system and solving problems involving conversion of units. Nung nakaraan, ang diniscuss po natin ay converting metric system to another metric system. Ito po ay nasa quarter 2, module 2 ng Mathematics 7. After going through this lesson, you are expected to convert measurements from one unit to another in both metric and English system, solve problems involving conversion of units of measurement. Unit of measures in English system, and we have metric system to English system. Nung nakaraang video natin, ang pinag-usapan po natin doon ay conversion ng metric to metric lang. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan naman po natin ay conversion ng English system to another English system at yung combination ng metric system at English system. So, in units of length in English system, ayan. So, tandaan natin na ang 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. And 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Yan po ang kaibahan ng ating English system sa metric system. Ang metric system, kung natatandaan natin, ito po ay nakabase lang kay 10. Kaya ito ay nagmo-move lang po ng decimal point. Samantalang ang ating English system, ito, iba-iba yung unit niya na equivalent. So, paano tayo magko-convert? So, for example, convert 7 yards into feet. So, ang hahanapin natin, ilang feet daw po meron sa 7 yards. So, given yung 7 yard is equal to how many feet? Yan, isusulat natin ng paganyan para makita natin kung ano ang equivalent. Pag sinabing equivalent, parehas lang din po ng haba, pero ang magkaiba lang ng unit ang kinukuha natin. So, we all know that in every 1 yard, there is 3 feet. So, therefore, 7 yard, ilang feet? So, imumultiply natin yung 7 yard sa 3 feet. And 7 times 3 is what? Yes, that is equivalent to 21 feet. So, therefore, in every 7 yards, there is equivalent to 21 feet. Let us have another example. So, convert 144 inches is equal to how many yards? So, kung mapapansin natin, kung makikita natin yung inches, ayan. At 2 yard, kung makikita natin, in 1 yard, there is 36 inches. Meron daw 144 inches. Ilang yard yun? So, anong operation kaya ang gagamitin natin? So, ang gagamitin po natin ay division. So, paano po? So, we have in every 1 yard is equivalent to 36 inches. And then, 144 divided by 36. And that would be equals 4 yards. So, therefore, in every 144 inches, there is equivalent to 4 yards. So, let us have another. Paano naman kung siya ay metric to English system? So, this one is for conversion of length. So, combination na po ito ng metric system at English system. So, remember that in every 1 inches, there is 2.54 centimeter. In every 1 meter, there is 3.28 feet. In every 1 foot, is equal to 0.30 meter. 1 yard is equal to 0.91 meter. And 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 miles. Okay. So, let us convert 384,400 kilometer. How many miles? So, tandaan natin kapag MI po, ang basa po sa kanya ay miles. So, given yung 384,400, so since ang 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 miles, so magiging 384,400. Ita-times natin sa 0.62 para makuha natin ang 238 So, ibig sabihin, 384,400 kilometer is equal to 238,328 miles. So, yun po ang katumbas. Tandaan natin, kapag tayo ay nagko-convert, kinukuha lang natin yung katumbas niyang unit. Hindi natin pinapalitan yung kanyang haba o layo. Parehas ng layo, pero magkaiba ng unit. So, let us continue. So, unit of mass in English system. So, unit of mass. So, sa mass po, kapag English system, 1 ounce or yung symbol na OZ. So, ang basa po sa kanya ay ounce. That is equal to 437.5 grains. In 1 pound, there is 16 ounces. In 1 ton, there is equal to 2,000 pounds. So, let us convert 7.2 pounds, how many ounces? So, ang sabi po dyan, in every 1 pound, there is 16 ounces. So, ang gagawin po natin ay 7.2, ita-times natin kay 16. So, that would be equal to 115.2. So, therefore, 7.2 pounds is equal to 115.2 ounces. So, let us have metric to English system. So, tandaan natin that in every 1 ounce, there is 28.3 grams. In 1 pound, there is 0.45 kilogram. At tandaan po natin, ang 1 kilogram ay equal kay 2.2 pounds. So, let us convert. In every 78 pounds, how many kilogram? So, since ang 1 pound ay equal kay 0.45 kilogram, so, ang gagawin po natin ay 78 times 0.45 kilogram. So, that would be equals to 35.1. So, ang ibig sabihin, 78 pounds ay equal pala kay 35.1 kilogram. So, yan po ang metric to English system ng measure of mass or weight. So, let us now have the unit of area in English system. So, kapag area, tandaan po natin dalawang dimension. Yung length at width na po ang kinukuha natin doon. So, ang ating conversion in every 1 feet squared is equal to 144 inches squared. In 1 yard, there is 9 feet squared. In 1 acre, there is 43,560 feet squared. In every 1 mile or 1 mile squared, there is 640 acres. Tandaan po natin kapag sinabing acres, yan po ay hektarya sa Tagalog. Kung ilang hektarya yung isang lugar. So, let us have 3 feet squared. How many inches squared? So, since ang 1 feet squared is equal to 144 inches squared, so, ang given po ay feet. So, ang 1 feet, so, imumultiply po natin yung 3 times dun sa ilang inches meron ang 1 feet. So, that would be equal to 144. So, 3 times 144 ay equal kay 432. So, therefore, in every 3 feet squared, there is 432 inches squared. Yun po ang katumbas niya. Next one is 87,120 feet squared. Ilang acre daw or ilang hektarya? So, since ang 1 acre ay equal kay 43,560 feet squared, so, ang gagawin po natin ay 87,000. Tandaan nyo, paano po malalaman kung kung imumultiply ba o i-divide? Kung ang given, kagaya nito, in 1 feet squared at yung isa ay 3, tapos feet squared din, multiplication po yun doon sa katumbas niya. Kapag ganito naman po, in 1 acre ay equal kay 43,560 feet squared. Feet squared po yung given. So, since 1 lang yung acre, i-divide po natin. So, 87,120 yung given, i-divide po natin kay 43,560. At that would be equal to 2. So, therefore, in every 87,120 120 feet squared, there is 2 acre o 2 hektarya. So let us have now metric to English system. So remember that in every 1 inch squared, there is equivalent to 645 centimeters squared. In every 1 meter squared, there is 1.196 yards squared. In every 1 hectare, o ang symbol po niya ay HA, ay equal to 2.47 acres. Ang hectare at acres ay parehas po sa Tagalog na hektarya. Nagkataon po ang hectares po ay mas mataas na unit kesa kay acres. So let us have this example. In 5 meters squared, how many yards squared? We all know that 1 meter squared is equal to 1.196 yards squared. So ang gagawin po natin ay 5 times 1.196 yards, or that would be equal to 5.98. So therefore, in every 5 meters squared, there is 5.98 yards squared. So let us have this another example. 77.4 centimeters squared, ilang inches squared po? So since ang 1 inches squared ay equal kay 6.45 centimeters squared, ayan, sila yung magka-equivalent. So we will have 77.4 divided by 6.45 centimeters squared, and that would be equal to 12. So therefore, in every 77.4 centimeters squared, there is 12 inches squared. So yan po ang measure of area. So let us have now our unit of volume in English system. So, ang katumbas po ng 1 feet cube ay equal kay 1.728 inches cube. In 1 yard cube, there is 27 feet cube. In 1 cord, there is 1.28 feet cube. So, if we have 8 feet cube, how many inches cube? So, since ang 1 feet cube, ayan, parehas na unit, is equal to 1.728 inches cube. So, imumultiply po natin yung 8 kay 1.728 inches cube, and that would be equal to 13.824. So, therefore, in every 8 feet cube, there is 13.824 inches cube. So, let us now have metric to English system ng measure of volume. Remember that ang volume po natin ay pwedeng solid at pwede rin po siyang liquid. In every 1 inches cube, there is 6.39 ml or milliliter. In every 1 liter, there is 1.06 quarts, or ang symbol po niyan ay QT. Ang 1 gallon is equal to 3.79 liters. Ang 1 quart, there is 0.95 liters. Ang 1 meter cube is equal to 35.31 feet cube. So, given ang 9 liter, how many quarts or quart? So, ang hinahanap po, ilang quart daw ang 9 liters. So, since ang 1 liter, ayan, parehas na liter sila, ay equal kay 1.06, ibig sabihin, imumultiply natin. So, 9 times 1.06. And that would be equal to 9.54. So, therefore, in 9 liters, there is 9.54 quarts. Let us have another example. If we have 18.95 liters, how many gallon? So, we all know that in 1 gallon, there is 3.79 liters. Ayan, liter doon sa kabilang side. So, i-divide po natin. 18.95 divided by 3.79, and that would be equals to 5. So, therefore, in every 18.95 liters, there is 5 gallons. So, that is for metric to English system ng unit of volume. So, let us now have the units of fluid in English system. Okay? So, sa fluid, more on, yung ginagamit natin na suka, toyo, yun po yun. So, in every 1 tablespoon, there is 3 teaspoon. In 1 fluid ounce, there is 2 tablespoon. In 1 cup, there is 8 fluid ounce. In 1 pint, there is 2 cup. 1 quart is equal to 2 pint. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, and 1 barrel is equal to 42 gallons. So, if we have 9 cups, how many fluid ounces? So, since ang 1 cup ay equal kay 8 fluid ounces, so we will have 9 times 8, and that would be equal to 72. So, therefore, ang 9 cups po pala ay equal kay 72 fluid ounces. Let us have another example. If we have 16 quart, how many gallon? So, since ang 1 gallon ay equal kay 4 quart, so is 16 divided by 4, and that would be equal to 4. So, therefore, ang 16 quarts po pala ay equal kay 4 gallons. So, yun po ang katumbas niya. Magkasing dami sila, pero magkaiba po sila ng unit. So, let us now have our units of time in English system. Ayan. So, ito ginagamit natin. Gumagamit tayo ng relo, ng ating pwedeng alarm clock, diba? In every 1 minute, there is 60 seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 month is equal to 30 days. Dito makikita naman po natin ang ating mga calendar. So, tandaan natin, kapag tayo ay nagko-convert, that would be equal to 30 days lang po ang standard natin dyan. And then, 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 leap year is 366 days. At yung leap year po ay nangyayari lamang every 4 years. And then, 1 decade is equal to 10 years. 1 score is 20 years. And a millennium or 1 millennium is equal to 1,000 years. So, let us now have in 4 months, how many days? So, since ang 1 month po ay equal kay 30 days, so yung 4, ita-times natin kay 30, and that would be equals 120. So, therefore, in every 4 months, there is equal to 120 days. So, another example po, yung 50 years, ilang decade naman daw po. So, since ang 10 years natin ay 1 decade, so 50, i-divide po natin kay 10. So, and that would be equal to 5. So, ibig sabihin, in every 50 years, there is equivalent to 5 decade. Tandaan po natin kapag tayo ay nagko-convert, ito po ay nililipat lang natin ng unit. Pero, parehas pa rin po yung haba, yung dami, o yung tagal ng ating conversion o yung given. Naglilipat lang po tayo ng 1 unit to another unit. Kinukuha lang natin yung kanyang equivalent. So, let us continue with our conversion of temperature. Ito po sa temperature, gumagamit tayo ng degree Fahrenheit o yung F at saka degree Celsius. Kadalasan, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ang gamit po natin ay degree Celsius. Kung tayo ay nabigyan ng mga gamit galing sa ibang bansa, ang ginagamit naman po doon ay degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So ngayon, kung ang kukunin natin ay degree Celsius, for example, given ang degree Fahrenheit, kukunin natin ang degree Celsius. May formula po tayong susundin. So, degree Celsius is equal to degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. Paano naman po kung ang kukunin natin ay degrees Fahrenheit? So, kung ang given ay degree Celsius at ang hinahanap natin ay degrees Fahrenheit, so degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times yung degree Celsius plus 32. So, let us have this example. During rainy season, temperature in Metro Manila reads around 15 degrees Celsius. Find the equivalent in degrees Fahrenheit. Kadalasan po, kung mapapansin ninyo sa ating mga weather forecaster, nagto 20 to 30 degrees Celsius tayo, lalo na kapag mainit. Pero kapag tag-ulan, bumababa po iyon. So, dito, ang given natin ay 15 degree Celsius. So, as you can see, ang given ay degrees Celsius. So, ang hinahanap po natin ay degrees Fahrenheit. So, paano natin kukunin? So, given that degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times the degrees Celsius plus 32. So, papalitan lang po natin ang degree Celsius. So, isusulat pa rin natin yung degrees Fahrenheit equals 1.8. Then, yung degree Celsius ay ilalagay natin po yung 15. And then, plus 32. Ano po ang gagamitin natin? Kung naaalala nyo, ang PEMDAS nung tayo ay mga elementary, we will start with the parenthesis. Then, multiply. So, ang parenthesis po or the multiplication is 1.8 times 15. So, yun ang uunahin natin. And 1.8 times 15 is 27. So, degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 27 plus 32. And 27 plus 32 is equivalent to 59. So, therefore, ang 15 degrees Celsius pala ay equal kay 59 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yan po ang equivalent niya into Fahrenheit. So, let us have this another example. So, next example is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. How many degrees Celsius? So, since ang hinahanap po ay degrees Celsius, ang formula na gagamitin natin ay degrees Celsius is equal to degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8. Ngayon, papalitan po natin yung degrees Fahrenheit ng 180. So, magiging degrees Celsius is equal to 180 minus 32 over 1.8. So, 182 minus 32 is 148 over 1.8. Ngayon, i-divide po natin yung 148 over 1.8. So, magiging degrees Celsius is equal to 82.22. So, ibig sabihin, ang 180 degrees Fahrenheit po pala ay equal kay 82.22 degrees Celsius. So, naway marami tayong natutunan ngayong araw na ito. Iyan ang ating matsayang kwentuhan. Hanggang sa muli, huwag kalimutan i-click ang like, share, and subscribe. Paalam! God bless!